And now we're kind of re-entering where we had previous resistance. Or sorry, previous support. Resistance kind of and support, right? So resistance over time eventually becomes support. So we had resistance, double top here, that ended up rejecting down. And then we busted through on the third attempt. And now we're sitting here jollying around this 2659 area. Now we have busted through it. And so what I would be potentially looking for on this next candle, if you're looking for a sell, which I mean stochastics on the it's in the oversold arena down there. 15 it's still aimed down, 30 it's aimed down, and pretty close to the oversold area. So how much more will it really go down? I don't know. We are at the upper, we're at the lower band here on the indicator, right? We're at the lower band, the second band on the outside, right? So we've already cleared the inside band, and we're right below the monthly VWAP. So monthly VWAP spot right here. And so I would be looking, maybe, I don't know, the 5 minute might be a bad indicator, it might be a bad time frame for being at this spot. But pretty simple trend line, right? We've only had 2 touches to the upside. And so from the indicator's perspective, I would likely be looking, obviously, for us to come up and then break through this trend line. But the biggest thing is we got to get above here and got to hold above this line, which is right here. It's at the current year mid. And then previous week high is down here. And so we got to stay above this line here and then clear this, which we might do it right now, right? But typically with gold, when it finds resistance, you typically have a little bit of time, or when it finds support, you have a little bit of time. I think this one was difficult because it was the clearing of, now what would have gotten me on a buy here is the retest right here. If I was trading gold, I mean, the fact that it attempted it, first off, it's accepted this level at this point, right? And then it made an attempt through. And then it failed, and then it made an attempt to even try to go through, failed, and then pushed top from there. And so you're probably going to have a little bit of time here, and if it's something where it's a one and done bounce, you know, that's high risk, high reward. You got to be aware that those one and done bounces, they're typically going to have a low win rate, but you know, when they happen, it's nice.